Today we will tour 1624 West Village Way in Tempe, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Service Star Realty has been doing property management in Tempe, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. We strive to be the best property management company in Tempe. Welcome to this well-maintained 3-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom townhouse. It is situated in a desirable community just southwest of Priest and Southern. Offering 1,152 square feet of living space, this home features a bright and open floor plan, a spacious living room, and a large modern kitchen equipped with appliances. There is also an internal laundry with a washer and dryer included for added convenience. This beautiful home in West Tempe boasts an open-plan concept with lovely neutral paint and tiled floors throughout. Entering inside, you'll be greeted by a lovely staircase and a spacious living area, while the chandelier adds beauty to the dining area. Other features of this home include covered parking, plus 2 private patios. Venture up the open staircase to the second floor, which includes generously sized bedrooms with ample storage space. Upstairs, you've also got a spacious bathroom with a tub shower combination. This home is conveniently located near shopping, dining, and provides easy access to major freeways. Community amenities include a pool and green spaces. All bedrooms are equipped with large windows and ceiling fans that will surely provide comfort and great living. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Again, that's leaseaz.com. To wrap up the tour, here's the fenced patio, perfect for relaxing outdoors. Again, if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. Thank you for watching today's tour of this lovely home in Tempe. Have a wonderful day.